DreamStation's intuitive user interface lets you adjust settings and view information about your therapy. With your therapy turned off, you can scroll through menu options by rotating the dial. From the home screen, there are 4 menu options: My Info, Preheat, My Provider, and My Setup. Note that Preheat only displays when an optional humidifier is attached. Options with a down arrow have submenus or additional screens. To make a selection, press the control dial. Under My Info, you'll find treatment information screens, such as therapy hours and mask fit. For greater detail about these, please view Understanding Feedback in the user manual. From a submenu, rotate to the main menu screen and push the dial to return to the home screen. If you have the optional humidifier on your DreamStation, you will see the Preheat screen. This screen allows you to warm up your humidifier for up to 30 minutes before you start your therapy session. The My Provider menu contains information that your provider may ask you to read to them so they can better assist you over the phone. This section also includes the modem upload and performance check screens. Most of the settings you can adjust are under the My Setup icon. This includes comfort features such as ramp and flex settings, as well as humidification modes. You will only see screens for features that are enabled on your DreamStation device. When you are done reviewing and adjusting My Settings, rotate and press the dial to return to the home screen. Innovation and You. Philips Respironics. DreamStation is a positive airway pressure therapy device designed for the treatment of obstructive sleep apnea. DreamStation devices come with a carrying case, power cord, power supply, flexible tube, disposable ultrafine filter, and user manual. A reusable blue pollen filter and SD card come installed in the device. A humidifier is an optional accessory. To receive therapy, you also need a mask and headgear. To allow for individual preferences, a variety of styles are available. It won't take long to get your device set up. Lift up on the filter access door and swing it open. Check to make sure a blue pollen filter is in place to screen out normal household dust and pollens. Remove the filter assembly. In addition to the reusable filter, which comes installed in your DreamStation, there is a disposable ultrafine filter which provides additional filtration of very fine particles. If you are using both filters, place the optional filter under the reusable one and snap them together. Put the filter assembly back into the device and swing the door closed. You should fill your humidifier water tank with distilled water each night before you go to bed. Slide the humidifier release latch toward the therapy device while simultaneously lifting the lid up, swinging it completely open. Remove the water tank. Clean the water tank before first use by rinsing with tap water. Each subsequent night of use, empty any remaining water and rinse the tank as needed before filling. To reduce damage to your device, always remove the tank before filling. Set the tank on a firm, flat surface. Fill the tank with distilled water no higher than the maximum fill line. Carefully place the water tank into the humidifier and close the humidifier lid until it snaps shut. To assemble the breathing circuit, connect one end of the flexible tube to the air outlet port. If you are using a heated tube, line its connector up with the top of the air outlet port. Press the heated tube over the air outlet port until the tabs click into the slots. Connect the other end of the flexible or heated tube to your mask. Attach a headgear to the mask. Be sure to see your mask and headgear instructions for proper fitting and care. For power, insert the socket end of the AC power cord into the power supply. Plug the AC power cord into an electrical outlet. Do not use an extension cord or an outlet controlled by a switch. Connect the power supply cord into the green power inlet on the side of the device. Ensure that the plug is fully inserted. When the device is powered up, you'll see the Philips Respironics logo followed by the home screen. Innovation and you. Philips Respironics.